In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendees to a Microsoft Outlook meeting. Fast 2025 guide. Let's get you set up quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the right mailbox, especially if you manage more than one account. For security, always sign in through the official Outlook site and avoid entering your password on unfamiliar pages. Once you're in, head to Calendar. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation. Any view works, month, week, or day, so choose the one that makes it easiest to spot your meeting. Navigate to the correct date and find the existing event you want to update. Click the event to open its summary. You should see options to join, edit, or view details. If you don't see an edit option, it likely means you're not the organizer, and only the organizer can add attendees. Assuming you are, go ahead and select Edit. This opens the full meeting details where you can adjust invitees and review the information that will be sent. In the attendee field, type the email address of the person you want to add. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Pick the correct one. You can add multiple people, and if needed, choose between required and optional to set expectations. If your organization uses distribution lists, you can enter those too. Double check that the meeting time, location, and any online meeting link are correct, so new attendees get everything they need in one go. When you're ready, click Send. Outlook may ask whether to send updates to everyone or only to added or removed attendees. To minimize inbox clutter for people who are already invited, choose to send updates only to the changes. If you don't see this prompt, it will send the standard update, and that's fine. To confirm everything looks good, open the event again and select all attendees. This view lets you see the full list and track responses as they come in, such as accepted, tentative, or declined. It's useful for making sure your new invitees receive the update and for keeping an eye on attendance. That's all you need to invite additional attendees to an existing Outlook meeting. Sign in, open Calendar, select your event, edit it, add the email addresses, send the update, and review the all attendees list to track responses. Follow these steps and you'll keep your invites accurate without spamming everyone with unnecessary updates.